Okay, now MCQ number 36, again on set off and carry forward of losses. During the AY 23-24, Mr. Kabir has a loss of 6 lakh rupees. I'm putting it in bracket under the head income from house property. Okay, loss of 5 lakhs from business profession and income of rupees 3 lakhs from long-term capital gain. So if you can understand, he has got one income LTCG and two types of losses, IFHP loss and PGBP loss. He filed his return of income for the AY 23-24 on 31st December 2023. That means the return has been filed belatedly. It's a belated return. Determine the total income of Mr. Kabir for AY 23-24 and the amount of loss which can be carried forward in a manner most beneficial to him. Why does it say in a manner most beneficial to him? That means there are two different options available to set off the losses, but out of those two options, whichever option is more beneficial, that option will be selected. Understand, there are two losses. Again, IT return has been filed belatedly, so you'll have to be little careful. If you can understand, he has got IFHP loss, which is 6 lakhs, and he has got PGBP loss, which is 5 lakhs. Now out of these two losses, against these two losses, he has one income LTCG 3 lakh. Now as far as this 3 lakh rupees is concerned, IFHP loss can also be set off and PGBP loss can also be set off. Both of them can be set off, but to the tune of 3 lakh. If IFHP loss is set off, then it can be set off maximum up to 2 lakh rupees. If PGBP loss is set off, it can be set off up to 3 lakh rupees depending on the availability of the amount of positive income. Okay, but IT return has been filed belatedly. That means if I set off PGBP loss, then what will be left out will be IFHP loss, and IFHP loss can be carried forward even if IT return is filed belatedly. But PGBP loss cannot be carried forward. Balance PGBP loss cannot be carried forward if IT return has been filed belatedly. So what we will do? Which option will be more beneficial? Answer will be beneficial to claim set off of PGBP loss. Because of belated return, PGBP loss, unabsorbed loss cannot be carried forward, but set off will always be permissible. What will be prohibited will be carry forward of the loss. So what we will do is that we will set off PGBP loss. So we will solve it this way. We will show LTCG. We'll start with LTCG, positive income, and out of these two losses, PGBP loss and IFHP loss, we will set off PGBP loss 5 lakh rupees up to 3 lakh rupees. Balance PGBP loss will be 2 lakh, which will lapse. No carry forward will be permissible because the IT return has been filed belatedly, and this will turn out to be nil, and then IFHP loss will be carrying forward entirely to the next year. So what is the correct answer? The income, taxable income, will be nil, and the amount of loss to be carried forward will be 6 lakhs IFHP loss. So which is the correct option? D is the correct option. Total income will be nil and the loss of 6 lakhs from house property. Our answer is D. Let's check what's Institute's answer. Institute's answer is also D. Our answer is correct. With that, this MCQ comes to an end. See you in the next video with the next MCQ.